We're tracking a beautiful afternoon across mid-Missouri. Lots of us seeing scenes like this, lots of blue sky to go around. We are seeing a few clouds build, though, in the afternoon heat. We may run into a stray storm or two as we're headed into the rest of this afternoon and evening, but temperature is pretty comfortable. A little bit of humidity in the atmosphere, and that's making it feel a degree or two warmer as you're stepping out the door. Be aware of that. And into the afternoon, we'll see temperatures rise another 4 or 5 degrees. And again, can't totally rule out a chance at storms, but you could see, for the most part, it looks like we'll be seeing sunny skies throughout the rest of this afternoon. Temperatures overnight tonight drop into the low to mid 60s across most of mid-Missouri. Comfortable start for our Saturday, and into the rest of the afternoon. Looks like for the most part we're going to be staying dry. Temperatures pretty close to where they were this afternoon. Let's think middle 80s. Into Sunday, we'll be tracking a cold front that brings those temperatures down, and it will also introduce the chance of a stray storm chance into Sunday afternoon as well. But much like today, the coverage is not going to be very widespread. Most of us are likely going to be staying dry. In terms of the UV index, the amount of sunshine we're going to be seeing here over the next several days, that's going to be pretty high, pretty much at the top of what we track for what's dangerous for humans. Anywhere between about a 9 and 10 will be our daily value with the sun angle that it's at right now. That means it's only going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes to begin to burn, and once you get that burn, it's not going to immediately become red or irritated. It takes about 2 to 6 hours for that to set in, so you'll certainly want to make sure that you do limit your exposure to the sun and have plenty of sunblock if you're going to be spending lots of time outdoors. Into the next several days, we'll be kind of in between 80 and 85 degrees, but then we make that jump back to summer as we're headed into next week. We make our way into the lower 90s across most of mid-Missouri, and along with that, we are going to be drying out across the area. This is the precipitation forecast here over the next 7 days, and this light green shading is likely going to be less than a quarter inch of rainfall throughout that entire period. So certainly going to be seeing less than likely rain chances here on the 7-day forecast. We got a 10% on both Sunday and Monday. Both of those look very, very meager, and most of us are going to be staying dry, and throughout next week looks like we'll be staying dry outside of a slight rain chance into Friday, but that's still 6 or 7 days out at this point. That looks to be the only light at the end of the sunny tunnel.